Hey guys, so we're doing an unboxing of the JJRC H8C, and I'm really excited for this one, so let's get into it. Let's see. What is that? Oh. As you can see, the box is really beat up. This is my first Banggood product that's been this. None of mine have been beat up. This is really beat up, yeah. Just hope the quadcopter's okay. Beat up. There's that box. Okay, let's see. Instruction manuals. There we go. It doesn't look to be damaged. Oh, yeah, US adapter plug for the charger. Let's see what this is. Looks like the charger here. There we go, charging cable with that really weird plug that everyone's been talking about. Focus in on that. And then you can see this just plugs into here and you charge that way, because this is the European style connector. Let's see, USB card reader. I believe there's a card that comes with it. Yeah, 2 gigabytes, 4 spare props, and a little screwdriver. The transmitter takes 4 AA batteries, and I don't have any of the transmitters that look like this yet. This is my first one. Got an LCD screen up here. Sticks feel nice though, and they're nice and long, so if you're a pincher, I don't think I'm gonna like this one too much, but I'll try it out and see how it goes. We have the 4 prop guards right here, 2 landing gear, 2 landing feet, and the quadcopter and the camera that comes on it. Wow, this looks nice. Wow, okay. Let's get this out of the way. There. Change the camera here. Okay, there you have it. That's everything that comes in the JJRC H8C. Please let me know if you liked this video by subscribing to my channel and checking out my other ones. And stay tuned for my next video. See ya.